Solvaderm, redefining skin science. Hi, I'm Rhonda, a skincare specialist at Solvaderm. As we age, the skin around the lower jaw and neck begins to lose its elasticity. As a result, the skin begins to sag and droop. While you may think this loss of elasticity is irreversible, it can actually be repaired. Revivatone is an advanced repair treatment that improves your skin's natural firming properties using 2 powerful peptides and a highly concentrated moisturizer. The first peptide boosts type 1 collagen synthesis. Type 1 collagen affects tensile strength and your skin's ability to resist stretching as the elastic fibers are repaired. The second powerful peptide redensifies and restructures the adhesion between the epidermal and dermal layers of cells. This area is known as the dermal-epidermal junction. The result is a visible reduction in the appearance of sagging skin. Now that we've firmed and toned our skin, it's time to eradicate fine lines and wrinkles with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a highly concentrated moisturizer that hydrates, smooths, and softens your skin, which creates a plumping effect that diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. Clinical studies performed on the key ingredients in Revivatone showed a 40% increase in skin firmness, a 36% increase in skin tone, and a 45% increase in skin smoothness. Revivatone offers an extraordinary treatment option that will tone, lift, and tighten your skin, while also reducing wrinkles and fine lines. With Revivatone, your skin will be smoother, softer, and firmer, revealing a more youthful you. Solvaderm, redefining skin science.